Hello everyone. So I got a new knife today at Cabela's. Doing a little unboxing, why not? I haven't posted a video in like a day, I guess. Alright, I'm gonna try to, I'm gonna stop it and then whatever. Alright, so I got it open. Small little handy knife. Might come in handy one day. Might save my life, probably. If I could just get it open. There you go. Has a little jagged edge right there. And then nice and sharp on top. Really attractive knife. Yeah. Great knife for the price. Recommend it. Very aesthetic looking. Yeah. Love it. Anyway. Thanks for watching my video. As always, subscribe, hit the bell, leave comments, and till next time.